All right, guys. So I'm going to show you a couple cool things about the AIRHOP bench that we have here. So a couple things about it. So you can take and put this all the way down and fold it up just like that. I don't know if you guys can see this. This thing is ultra portable when it comes to that aspect. Look how foldable it becomes, and you can stick it wherever you possibly need to. Look at this. Able to pick this up without any problems. What's also cool is they give you a pin as well. You can drop this pin right here in it, so it will not come unfolded. So you can carry this however you want to. Guys, this makes this thing super portable without any issues, not having any problems at the end of the day. So I don't know what other weight bench you have that's going to do everything you need it to do and also be functional in this aspect. And look how easy it is. Pop it open like so. There you go. And just like this, we are back up and running in the gym, getting stuff done. So guys, look how easy that is. Check out AIRHOP.